Hey guys, let's make soya milk drink together. First, this is my soya beans. I've selected them, and this is my coconut. Yeah, I'm going to add coconut, and this is a fresh tiger nut. Yeah, I also have some bananas and I have ginger. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, first I'm going to soak my soya beans in hot water and then wash it to peel the shaft. Yeah, then I'll add some water and be removing the shaft gradually. Yeah, I'm just going to be removing them like this. Just be adding water and be removing them until it is well cleaned. Yeah, then after that I'm going to go ahead and transfer them into my blender. As you can see, it is now very clean. I'll transfer them into my blender, add in some water and then blend it. After blending, I will go ahead and filter it. Yeah, you see I'll filter it with my sieve. Then I'm still going to filter it again because I don't want any lumps or particles inside. So after this I'm going to still filter again. Now I will go ahead and add my ginger and then coconut and then blend. Yeah, see, I'm going to filter it again with this clean cloth. You need a very clean cloth to filter it very well so that you will not have any form of shaft or lumps inside. Yeah, so look at this, I'm done with the second round. Yeah, at this point I have not added my coconut and banana. I've not added the coconut and banana and the tiger nut. I'm going to blend them separately. So now I am cooking the soya milk. I'll cook it until when it is done I will pour in into this large bowl. I will allow to cool down. At this point I'm washing my banana. I will peel it and then blend it. Yeah, then I'm transferring my banana into my blender, and then this is already blended coconut milk. I'm adding it to the banana to blend, and then I will pour in to the soya milk and then allow to cool down. Then I'm removing the scum. You see that thing on top of that is floating? Yeah, that is the scum. You go ahead and remove the scum. Yeah, so that you have a smooth soya milk drink. Yeah, our soya milk is ready. Soya milk is ready. See how creamy it is. It's very tasty, very yummy. You see, then I will transfer them into my bottles and then I will store them in my fridge to chill, and then we are going to go ahead and enjoy it. Yeah, see them, I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to this family, do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Drop a sweet comment. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.